Does your dog really understand a verbal cue? To make sure a behavior is not affected by the clever hands effect, give the cue when your dog is behind a visual barrier such as a door.
Good girl. Yay, good girl.
One could argue that the presence of the rope was a cue to tug. So I tried another cue she knows well. I used the sound of her sitting as my indication of if she did the behavior.
Good girl.
Flat is her cue for down. I could hear her elbows hit the floor.
Yes. Good girl.
So despite the environmental cue of the rope, she still did the other behaviors. This is a great way to ensure that your dog really does understand the spoken cue. Training challenge for you. Train your dog to do at least 3 behaviors with verbal cues only, and post them as a video response. If you can't video, write a comment and tell us how it went.